Watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and see how much plastic surgery is too much, but you might be surprised to learn that these high-profile rich women are not the most likely people to go under the knife to improve their looks. Dr. Michael Vennemeyer wrote Plastic Surgery Myths Dispelled, a consumer's guide, and Dr. Vennemeyer is here with a look at some of those myths. First, why did you write the book?
I wrote the book for two main reasons, Sheila. First of all, I saw a need for a concise, easy-to-understand guidebook that has all the information you need to know for considering cosmetic surgery.
What do you think is the most misunderstood thing about it for the common person?
Well, I think that one of the most misunderstood things is that people have this perception that you're vain if you have cosmetic surgery. There's actually some studies these days that show that there's improvement in self-esteem, enhanced body image, better quality of life, a better sex life, and better interpersonal relationships after plastic surgery.
So when we talk about some of the people that Rob mentioned or the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills,
Sure.
Why do some people have a tendency to keep having surgery after surgery, though? It seems like that wouldn't be true, that they're not feeling good about themselves.
Right, I would agree. I think that having successful plastic surgery first starts with having the right goals in mind. So your average plastic surgery patient that I see come into my office is just a nice, normal, down-to-earth person who wants to change a feature or two about themselves. But a lot of the people that you see that are having a lot of procedures done sort of live in a different world than everybody else. And
do they not have real expectations about it, do you think?
I think oftentimes they do not. And they push it to the point where they start having unnatural-looking results because they're having so much done.
Answer Rob's question. Should men have plastic surgery ever?
Absolutely.
And they do, I guess, right?
Absolutely. About 10% of cosmetic surgery patients are men, and that number is growing. I think that men are great candidates for plastic surgery. The key is just not to overdo it.
Okay. Now, what would surprise us about who is having plastic surgery, Dr. Vennemeyer?
Well, I'd say that the surprising thing is that most of the people, the people that you see every day, a surprising number of them have had plastic surgery. You wouldn't expect it.
Well, you think of wealthy people doing it. But your book says maybe people with a regular middle-class income are doing it.
Exactly, the vast majority. Because
how do they afford it?
Well, first of all, 70% of cosmetic surgery patients make less than $60,000 a year.
Really?
And the way that people afford it is, one, some people just save up the cash. Two, financing is available, which makes plastic surgery attainable for nearly everyone. And then people often put it on their credit card as well.
Do you think it's okay for brides to want to change it up before they get married?
If there's something that they want to change about themselves and if they'll feel better about themselves and feel better on their big day, absolutely.
All right. Well, you can read more if you have some questions that we didn't get to today. It's called Plastic Surgery Myths Dispelled, a consumer's guide by Dr. Michael Vennemeyer. You can find his offices around the tri-state, including in northern Kentucky, and the book's at Amazon and Barnes & Noble. Thanks, Dr. Vennemeyer. Good.